Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do another unlock playthrough. So we're going to do this. This is Night of the Boogeyman, but before that let me explain to you this big box of the exotic adventure. If you like maybe two or all three or at least two from this this exotic adventure or any adventure, I recommend you to get one of these big boxes because you can get individually, but the price of maybe getting two of them will be more expensive than getting the whole three boxes. Yeah, so again, if you like all three or maybe just two out of three, best or cheaper for you to get a big box like this. So inside this exotic adventure there are three scenarios. First is the Night of the Boogeyman, the one that we're going to play today, and then this one says Days. Sorry if I misspell that one. This is the one with the Arabian Night setting, so if you can see there, that's a magic carpet, and I'm sure inside that there will be a genie. And this one is the one with the dinosaur Expedition Challenger. This one taking inspiration from the Lost World, not the Jurassic Park Lost World, but the original novel of original novel of the Lost World. So okay, today we're going to do playthrough. So major spoiler alert. Again, major spoiler alert. If you do not want to get any spoiler, do not watch this video. But if you want to see the solution, or maybe you want to play through with us, see the playthrough with us, feel free to come and have the journey with us. Okay, so without further ado, let me set it up and we can play it together. Alright guys, so let's first read the scenario card. The night of the boogeyman. Little William have been having a restless night recently. The poor child has been attacked by nightmarish monsters. The boogeyman. Under the cloak of darkness, you open William's door to look for the monsters. Be careful, the child is sleeping and it would be unfortunate to wake him up. Take the square sheet of paper. There's a square sheet of paper. Okay, I don't have it with me right now, but we'll come back to that. Launch the app. Okay, Night of the Boogeyman. Where is it? Here. Okay, and press start. John, please press start. Right, and flip this card over. So inside the card it says, this is how the card looks. They said the door can't be opened properly because of a book on the floor. So that's big book there. Let's get card M. Okay, this is the back art from the Night of the Boogeyman. I always like the art from the Unlock Adventures. Monster Guide. Oh, so that's the book of a monster guide. Chapter 1, The Boogeyman. These monsters have been scaring children for millennia. There are 4 types of them. So there are 4 boogeymen, which come to fill children's heads with nightmare. Each type must be eliminated one at a time. If you reveal a card with a red box's text, you must immediately follow its instruction before looking any other card. So there's a special features from this scenario, right? Okay, so continuing to letter D. Can you give me letter D, John? Thank you. So, chapter 2, the one that crawls in the dark. Lurking in the shadows, it draws menacing shape and gives blood-curdling looks from the depth of darkness. So, it sends shivers down your spine, but a comforting glow. So that's the keyword. Will overpower it. So this boogeyman is witness with light, so we are going to defeat him with light. Okay, moving on to chapter 3. Can you give me letter C? This is letter C. The one that pops up. Slightly hiding in the closed spaces, it pops to scare the heck out of you. It will appreciate every dark recess from the smallest to the biggest box. even a closed wardrobe. Destroy every last one of his hideouts. So we're going to destroy him by destroying its hideouts. Okay, moving on to the next one, letter I. Okay, chapter 4, the one that pulls the strings. It uses terrifying shadows to weave threads of nightmare and manipulate the child at its please. Cut the threads from which it hangs. So this was spider, and then continue to page X. So we got quite a few of them, and then what is X? So this is X, the one that eats dream. Hidden in the deepest recess of a child's dream, it eats the dream bit by bit, turning it into a nightmare. Oh, okay. Enter the dream and hit the monster 3 times to destroy it. Enough reading. Okay, now time has come to make a move. Take card 0. So let me just arrange this. Okay, these are the monsters. Yeah, thank you, John. That's card 0. John has. Okay, this is card 0. John has give this to us. So this is William's bedroom. So this is our location now. A few things. Yeah, a wardrobe. Okay, and then this is his William's play. It's William toys. Okay, his bed. You see, he's sleeping on a bunk bed. No, I don't think that's a bunk bed, but it's very, very high up from the ground level then. Okay, so this is our situation now. Let's get all the cards accordingly. Okay, let's start from number 7. Okay, so this is number 7. It says here, a small, tightly locked cardboard box. Okay, remember, boxes is that one, the one that pops up. Okay, next we're going to get number 67. 67. Where is 67? Right, this one, 67. Okay, so this is the one there, William's plaything. Okay, he have quite a bit of toys there, robot, bunnies, balls. Okay, so just put it there, and then moving on to card number 76. Where is 76? Okay, that is 76. Let's see. Okay, so this is where William is sleeping. A few items also there. Let's while we are here, let's get it also. So number 34. Okay, so this is number 34. A light bulb. Yeah, a bulb that can produce a bright light. Okay, you remember that one? Does it says bright light? No, actually it says comforting glow. So be careful with this one, guys. Be careful with this one. But let's just put it there first. Okay, next we're going to get number 46. Let's see number 46. Okay, what is 46? A bedside lamp whose bulb was removed. Okay, so you can use that together if you want to. And then number 72. Number 72. What is 72? Okay, this one. This is a machine. We're going to use this later. An empty drawer. Wait, John, not yet, John. We haven't got all the cards yet. An empty drawer, yet it seems heavier and deeper than it should be. Right, so this is all of the card there. Yeah. And then we're still continuing here. Where are we? 77. Let's find 77. Okay, so this is 77. Oh no, John, the boogeyman, the one that crawls in the dark, appears right in front of you. It holds something in its mouth. Oh no. Okay,
Di dalamnya apa?
iya, It says to take card number 4 and do that immediately. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, I think I messed up. I get number 4, but we shouldn't get number 4 yet. Sorry, we shouldn't get number 4 yet. We should get, what's that number, John?
97.
97. We should get 97 immediately, he said. Terror. Oh no. Darkness seems to fall over the place. Constraint. So we have a constraint now. You can only have 4 face up cards. Oh, simultaneously. When you refill a card, another card face down. The constraint does not affect terror cards. The constraint ends when you are instructed to discard this card. Oh no. So with this, we can only have 4 card maximum. So the rest we have to put it down. Okay. Let me just put this down. We cannot see this card yet. Okay. Actually, we can 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because I want to have 4 card with that one, with number 4. So let's get number 4 now. Okay. This is too soon, John. We don't have to. We don't see that one yet. Okay. This is number 4. A telescope. Okay. So we can only have 4 cards, guys, because of that terror. We just put there. Okay. So when we want to reveal another one, we have to face down another card. So we can only have 4 cards. Okay. So next we're going to get 83. 83. What is 83? And oh yeah, simultaneous 84. Let me just get those 2 cards together. 83 and 84. When you want to reveal this one, you have to flip a card. Alright, so because of the darkness, right? So what is this? Oh, this one is the wardrobe lock with 4-digit codes, and this one an electric blinds are lowered. Okay, it's night outside. So yeah, I'm revealing this one. John, put the boogeyman back. He's still terrorizing us. Okay, so there you go. So we can only have 4 cards because of that terror card. So what are we going to do? Okay, so let me put this face down first because we wouldn't have the code yet anyway. So let's go back looking at William's card. Okay, so guys, if you notice, there's a number there, John. Can you see a number there, John?
99.
99. Yes, correct, John. So that's a letter 99. Let's get the card of 99. Okay. Oh, it's very hard to get. Okay, card 99. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is 99? Yes, a switch. A switch, John. Go with machine number 99. I need to put this back down. Okay, only 4 card, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me show our audience first. So this is a switch, right? Can you see a switch? Yes. So we need to open up the window. Yeah, we need to open up this window. Which switch do you press, John, to open up the window? No, not that one. Open up. Yes. The blinds open slowly. Let's take card 5. Let's take card 5. Here's card number 5. And yeah, it says here to get rid of 84. Yes, and 99. So this one's no longer in use. Let me just take that away. Something is here. Let's take card 98. Okay. Oh no, wait, John. We're not there yet. No, John. Okay. Here, wow, okay. Another boogeyman. The shadow spread and shapes the one that pulls the strings. Oh wow. So from there it becomes, take card 78 immediately. Okay, let me take that card. Don't wait. 78. Another terror card. Oh no, it says here, the monster worms itself into your mind and control you like a puppet. Constraint. You must keep the hand you are using for writing behind your back, so I cannot use my right hand. The constraint ends when you are instructed to discard this card. So, okay, so can you still see this card? Okay, so we got 2 terror now. Wow, 2 terror. I cannot. Okay, sorry, that's the last part. I cannot use my right hand. Sorry guys, I cannot use my writing hand. I can only use my left hand. Okay, so this is the fun part of playing the boogeyman scenario. It has some constraint, physical constraint for you to do. So currently we have these 2 terror card, the one that makes only 4 card allowed flip, and the other ones is only allowing me to use my non-writing hand. Actually I can write both with my left and right hand, but my dominant is my right hand. So to be fair, I'm using my left hand. Okay, 98. I think there's something to do with this one, right? Okay, I can only use my left hand, guys. But if you connect this thing, actually you can see something that it is connected. But let me try to put it down. Sorry of this constraint, but that's the fun part of this game. John, let's go with the app. John, let's go with the app. Machine 98. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so we have to do something with his or it string. So remember this one, cut the threads from which it hangs. So we need to cut the thread. Wait a minute, John, wait John. So we need to cut the threads which one that she hangs or it hangs. So you need to align between these 2 cards and see which one that actually connects, right? So maybe the best way is like saying here this way. So we need to cut this one. Okay, and then this one and this one. Did I get it right? John, please press OK. Yes, the boogeyman rolled itself into a ball of wool and crashes into the floor, thus freeing out objective. Okay, let's take card 29 and 86. 29. Oh, it's getting harder to get the cards, guys. Getting harder to take the cards. So let's take card 29. Okay, is assistant counts? Assistant counts. Okay, 29 and 86 and 86. Oh, I know, hang on, I need to. Can you show us that one first, John? At least it takes out the terror. Now I can use my hands. So discard 76 and 98. Okay, 78 and 98. So we are free from the terror. I can use my both hands again. Yes, very good. Okay, it says here, boogeyman's threads curl up and coil into a socket puppet. So much cuter. Okay, it's a little bit scary for me. Okay, but 1, 2, 3, 4. We can only have 4 cards. Still, because that terror still in effect. But I can use my both hands to get card 86. Let's find card 86. So, okay, found it. Okay, what is this? John? I don't know. It's a 3. Yeah. Okay, but we don't know what this is yet. So I think it's a puzzle part. So let's just put it there, over there first. Okay, so what are we going to do? Okay, if you remember, there is a light. Let me just put this one down. If you remember, there is a light. No, not that one. I also don't need this one yet. Do we supposed to get rid of this one? I forgot. But yeah, this one. A bulb. Do you want to do this? Do you want to turn on the bulb, John? No? Yes or no? Do you turn on the bulb? It says bright light.
No.
Let's just try, right? Let's just try. So with this, we're going to get card 80. My math's not that good. 80. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Card 80. He says, the light is too bright. Oh no, let's see. It's too bright. William wakes up crying. Hurry, tell him a story to help him fall asleep again. Oh no. It says get rid of this 34. Okay. 90 and 91. Read aloud the closest book. 1991. Find the code which will help him fall asleep again. In the meanwhile, you cannot read any other card, so you cannot do anything else. You have to resolve that one. 90 and 91. So 90 and 91. So these two cards, 90 and 91. So this is the two cards. So it says you have to read this. In the tiny universe, there's a tiny galaxy made of a tiny planet orbiting around a tiny sun. Okay, on that tiny planet, there is a tiniest continent in the middle of a tiny lake, a tiny island with a tiny forest. It becomes very tiny font also. At the heart of this tiny forest, there is a tiny buried chest with a tiny message that reads in a tiny letters, I made you waste your time. Oh no. Okay. And then this one, maybe you should read. I think the way you should read it. Can you get that one for me, John? I cannot reach it. Can you help? I think you need to read. Yeah, 90 and 91. So I think I'm reading in the right order. The little boy couldn't sleep. Every night the nasty monster came to haunt him. Surely it must have been the witch Mafalda who cast a spell to toy with him. She wanted to get back at him because the little boy told her that she was ugly. Well, magic for magic, the little boy set his mind on destroying the monster on his very own terms. After a lot of research, the monsterology books, he found out to defeat the monster if only he had to brush his teeth for 5 minutes, turn one small night light, and count to shift up to 25. So what do you do with this? I think that's a number 25. So let's see. Let's get card 25. Is it still okay? Card 25. There is no card 25. Oh no, what do we do with this? Okay. So, oh yeah, I think this is a code, guys. This is a code. So I think we need to do something, right? It says here, oh no, what do we do with this? 5 minutes. Turn on one small night light and count shift to 20 Hz. So let's use the code, John. Let's get the code, John. That's the code. I think the code is, as here, is 5, John. 5 and then 1 small, and then 25, John. So it says William fall back asleep. Whew, that is a rush. You can continue your adventure. Discard 80, 91. Yeah, so these 3 cards. Wow, okay, that's quite a rush. William is now asleep again, so we can continue. And we wasted a lot of time doing that. Okay, that was fun. So we don't have to do with this one yet. So let's see what else can we do now. Code, we don't have a code yet. And I don't think we can do anything with that first. So let me try to open more. This one, I don't think we can do anything with this one yet. A box, okay. What else can we do? Let's do this first. John, there's a machine, John. There's a machine. Number 72. Okay. But we don't know yet what to do with that. No, let's go back. We don't have to do that yet, John. Cancel it, John. Okay, and then we have this one. I think I opened too many. 1 2 3 4. Can close this. Oh, okay, that gives you an idea. So we can use this one, guys, I believe, because we can use the telescope to look at the night sky, because the night sky going to have to do something with this one. So let's get card number 9. Let's get card number 9. Okay, here is card number 9, and surely enough, okay, so this is the night sky, and yeah, we have to make sure which one correspond with this one. Okay, so let's use the machine, John. Let's go with the machine number 72. Machine 72. I think we opened too many cards already. Again, 72, John. Okay, so which one is it? I think we need to identify. John, why is the X? We need to identify which one is the correct star and which one is not. Like, for example, yeah, I think we can go with the one that we need to click is the one that is in the card. So 1 2 3. Okay, and this one, and I think the bottom of my hand is that one. Okay, let's see. John, press OK, John. Yes, you find the false bottom in this drawer. The panel opens into a mysterious box. Take card 55. So let's take card 55. Let's take card 55. Where is card 55? 54, 55. Okay, found it. So this is card 55, and an unlock lock with a 4-digit code. A ball, a car, and a sun. Okay, let's just put it there first. I'm thinking I opened too many also. We need to get rid of some cards. Number 4, number 5, and number 72. 9. 4. Sorry, I think I take too much. 4, 9, and 72. So the 5 still there. Okay, I think we need to close this 5 first. This terror is really annoying, right? But actually, I think we finished this one, right? I think we kill the guy, so just put aside to make our table more manageable. Okay, otherwise we have too many cards and mess up our table. Okay, so what are we going to do with this one? So next, moving on, I think we need to remember this plating. Okay, I think we need to, corresponding to this one, I think we need to find the ball. Okay, let's count on the ball. How many balls do we got here? 1 2 3. I think that's 3 balls. Okay, and then what else? It says car, and how many car does he have? John, let's go with the code, John. First, I think it's 3, right? And then let's count the cars. How many cars does he have?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
I think there are more of them. I think that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I think that's 12. John, I think that's 12. Hey, where are you going? 12. Let's press 12. And then lastly, sun. Where's the sun? Remember, sun is over here, right? And how many sun is there? Can you count the sun?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
7, right? And yes, it says here the lock of the hero box unlocks. Take card 45. Let's take card 45. card 40. What is card 45? Oh, here you go. Okay. Yeah, it opened. So a few items there. 6. Okay, John gave me this number 6. So this is the folding the paper. So when we remember, it says take out the paper. So this is the paper, and we folded it. Folded it. Actually, I asked my wife already to fold it because I'm not really good in folding paper. So yeah, it becomes something like this. Let's just put it over there first, yeah, John. Let's put it over there first, and then let's get a few items. John took it. So 12 and 23. So let's get 12 and 23. So let's get 12. Okay, this is 12. Hang on, I think a few cards is missing here. And 23. Okay, so I got 12. Okay, this is 12. A Latin notebook. Oh, are you familiar with the Roman numerals? Note, use numbers on 5 pages, right? To guide the confined monster's wardrobe. Oh no, I think I did something wrong here. We shouldn't get rid of this one yet. I think it's required. It's still there. Okay. And then 23 says above that can produce a dim light. Yes. 1 2 3 4. Too many cards open. Let me just put this one down. Where is the lamp? Okay, so a dim light. I think we can go with this. Okay, so let's get card 49. Now finally you can get rid of the terror. 49. Okay, is this right? 60. No, not 40. That's 69. Sorry, I'm bad with my math. Okay, here you go. There you go, John. A soft light filled the room, and the darkness monster vanished right before your eyes. So we did it. So we killed that one. It spins in the air before falling into the floor. Discard the card. Discard this card. Then take card 74. Okay, 74. Where is card 74? 74. I cannot find 74. Where is 74? Card 74. Ah, there you go. Okay. So, no, we don't need this. 74 is all. This is 74. Okay, a part of something there. Like John said, I think this is a puzzle. Yeah, I think the cloud correlates there. Do we get rid of that one? We are not told to get rid of that one yet. Oh, I think so. I think I missed out. Sorry guys. 23. We need to get rid of 23. Okay. And then 46, right? And then 77 and 97. Yes, finally. So we get rid of all of this and all of this, and we got that one over there. So now no more constraint. We can freely open up all the cards. We get 76. No, 76 is still there. Okay, we can open up all the cards now. Yes, finally, no more constraint. Okay, now we're good. I think we're supposed to get rid of this. I forgot. Do we have to get rid of 55 or not? 55. Is there... Yes, we're supposed to get 55. Get rid of 50. Sorry, get rid of 55 and 67. 55, 67. Yes. So let's cut on our table now. Okay, John, don't move about. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, so let me just arrange that. A few things here. Yeah. Okay, so it's more nicer for us to see. Yeah, I think we can next. We can do this. So if you remember, let me get this card. John, can you get me the X, John? I cannot reach it. Yes, can you hand over me the X?
You see a letter?
Yes, I think this is supposed to be like this. This is the sequence of M, This is the sequence. This is M, and then the D, and then the C, and then the I, and then the X. So if you use this guide, okay, X, okay, let me arrange that for you. M, D, C, I, X. With this guide, that will be M is 1000 there, and then D is 500, okay, and then C is 100, I is 1, and then X is 9. So with that, I think we get the code is 1609. So John, go with the code, John. John, go with the code.
O part.
Yeah, go with the code 1609. 1609. Yes, and it says the wardrobe opens with a squeaking sound. Take card 26, discard 12 and 83. Discard 12, okay, and 83. I think we still need all of this. Just put it there. Take card 26. Take card 26. So let's find 26. Okay, this is card 26. And okay, so we open the wardrobe. I think a few items is there. A teddy bear, something. Okay, let me just get all the items for you. First is number 2. Number 2, a shredder to make a confetti. Okay, so this is a shredder. And then we get number 3, a tightly locked cardboard box. So we get 2 of them already. And then what else? Number 10 and number 11. So this is 10, this is 11. So let's say 10. William's teddy bear. Okay, we got a teddy bear. John, you also have a teddy bear, right? What do you call your teddy bear?
Sama juga.
What do you call your teddy bear? I think you call it I forgot. So this is a larger tightly locked cardboard box. So yeah, I think this is sizes matters. So I think this one is smallest. This one is smallest. I think it goes like that. Okay. What else do we need to find? Number 36. Let's find 36. So this is 36. A pair of sneakers. 36. The size 36. Sneaker is there. Oh, nice. Okay. That's convenient. Let's just put it there. And I think we get all of this except 42. Need to find 42. Okay. 42. Oh no, boogeyman, John, the boogeyman, the one that pops up. The monster pops up out of box and terrorizes you before hiding. As well, take card 57 immediately. 57. And terror. Oh no. The suddenness of the attack leaves you speechless, literally speechless. Oh guys, with this I cannot speak. You can no longer speak nor make any sound. The constraint ends when you are instructed to discard this card. No! Okay, I cannot speak. So how am I going to make this video? That's confusing. Maybe I can just type it for you, maybe. Okay, so following the constraint, I will not speak anymore. But let's see how to do this. Yes, we did it. We destroyed the boogeyman. So the constraint says here discard the card 57. Wow, that was a challenging silent playing. Okay, so we get rid of this card, all of this. Okay, so we can talk again. Take card 60. Don't forget to sit down, please. We take card 60. Where is card 60? Card 60 is missing. Okay, let's find it together. Where is card 60? Okay, there you go. Card 60. Ooh, something is there. I think that's a number, yeah. And this is a yellow card. That's a yellow card. Okay. I think we need to find something there. Is there anything we can do with that? Is there a letter? Is there a letter, John? Yeah, but I think before that we can do something with this.
752.
Yeah, I think we can do something with this first. Remember socks, sneakers, okay, but there's only one sock. But I think we can do this, right? We can do this and we get card 65. So let's do that first. Card 65. What is card 65? A real champion sneakers. Wow, nice. Okay, this is still a blue card. So let's get. Okay, my iPad having a low battery. Hopefully we can still finish this. So this is card 65. Let's take that one, and then okay, we don't have all of this. Is there anything we can do with this now? Yeah, I think the number is there. 257.
7.
Yeah, 25. I think can you see? Okay. Can you see? 2577. So let's just try with that, John. 77. Nice. You enter William's dream. Take card 17 and 49. Discard the child drawing. Okay, discard the child drawing. Oh, this is his drawing. Okay, and then card 05 says here to get card 17. Okay, so this is card 17. I put this back. William trembles with fear. He really needs to get a shot of bravery. So this is inside William's head. So we are inside William's dream. So it's very scary. A lot of monster is there. So what do we need to do? I think we have to do with this. Okay, he needs his teddy bear. So let's get card 27 and card 27. What it shows? Yes. So let's just get. Okay, let's dispose this too. Okay, in card 27 says, in his teddy bear outfit, William is all ears to you, but you can't defeat the monster with your bare hands. So what do you need to do? You cannot use your hands, your bare hands, so let's use your feet. Okay, so let's take with this card 92. What is card 92? There. Yeehaw! Let's go smash some nasty monster face. Take card 54, 62 and 68. And yeah, dispose this too. Okay, let's take card. What is that, John? What's that? 54? Here's 54, John. And then 62 and 68. 62 and 68. 62. I cannot find 68. Where is 68? Where is 68? Okay, found it. Okay, so all of this and 54. Yeah, so all of this, I think this is the action of William hitting. He said he cannot use his hands, but anyway, hitting, kicking and hitting. Okay, so this one, if you remember, is corresponds to the, hey, where's the card? Hey, where's the paper? John, can you give me the paper, please? So yeah, so this is the folded paper, okay, from this one. So let's just, can I use your hands, John? Put your hands inside this. Yeah, so I'm using, John is helping me. So okay, let's press the go button and go inside the dreamland. So if you can see here, this is the monster from the X, okay, from that one, the one that eating dreams, and it has a timer there, 5 4 3. Okay, what do we need to do with this? I think when the timer goes down to 0, it will penalize, yeah, penalize you. I cannot spell that one. So what do we need to do? I think we need to find the color code of this one. So John, can you help me with this one? Okay, so let's see. So this is the monster. Okay, so when William kicks it, okay, see what's, can you see which tooth is missing? Okay, I think that's a yellow. Okay, and then I think we need to start from 54. Start from 54. Okay, I think that's a blue. Okay, that's a blue. Okay, yeah, wait a minute, wait John. So this one is, if you can see that one, that's a rat. That's a rat, right? That's a rat. And then this one is blue, and this one is yellow, right? I think this one's yellow. Okay, so let's see, let's hit the app with that one. Red, and then blue, and then yellow. Red, and then blue, and then yellow. Yes, we did it, guys. These boogeymen are nothing but a distant nightmare for William. You helped him overcome his fears. Congratulations. Yes, we did it. So yeah, this is our playthrough. Yes. Yeah, John, high five. Yes, thank you guys. I hope you all have so much fun like me and John are having fun playing this playthrough. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like. Where's your thumb, John? Give your thumb. Like, yes. Subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification button. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. I'll try to post a playthrough of this unlock every Sunday. So again, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all.